Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, welcome to class 4. I am your science teacher. Your book is Modern Basic Science. Open your book, page number 1. Chapter number 1, The Wonderful World. Our wonderful world is full of many kinds of things, living and non-living things. There are pets, flowers and trees, birds and animals. There are cars, buses, roads and bridges. Allah gave us air, water in ponds, river and seas, and the sun and the moon. These are very important for all living things on the earth. Topic number 1, man-made and natural things. Some things are man-made things like cycles, cars, buses, buildings, roads and bridges. Some other things like animals, plants, rocks, clouds, the sun, the moon and the stars are natural things. Nature gives various things to us. Man-made things are all non-living things. Other natural things like soil, rocks, the sun, the moon and the stars are non-living things. There are two types of things, natural and man-made things. All the man-made things are made by using natural things. दो तरीकों की चीज़ें होती हैं, कुदरती और इंसानों के हाथ की बनाई हुई चीज़ें। तमाम इंसानों के हाथ की बनाई हुई चीज़ें कुदरती चीज़ों से तैयार होती है। टॉपिक 2, फीचर्स ऑफ लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. देयर आर मैनी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स विच मेक living things different from non-living things. Characteristics of living things. Let us see how living things show that they have life. There are 7 basic characteristics you can observe in their living things. जानदारों की खुसूसियत. Number 1, movement. Living things can move. Their movement show that they are alive. Animals move from one place to another in search of food and shelter or to escape from their enemies. Birds and insects can fly around. Dog and cat can walk. Animals without legs crawl or slide by moving their bodies. Fish swim by moving their bodies. They move because they all have life. Touch me not plant. When we touch plant like touch me not, their leaves show slow movement then close. Sunflower plant. The sunflower turns its face toward the sun. Table does not move on its own. Neither does a stone nor a doll move. We have to make them move. Therefore, we can say that only living things can move by themselves. Number 2, growth. A tiny seed grows into a baby plant. After some time, it grows into a big plant or a tree. Similarly, baby animal grows into adult animal. Plants and animals grow in size and shape. A chick into a hen, and on the other hand, can a small chair grow into a big chair? Or can a small fan grow into a big fan? No, they do not grow. Living things grow and non-living things do not grow. Number 3, food. Food is essential for the survival of living things. Food helps us to grow bigger day by day. Most plants make their own food with the help of carbon dioxide gas. Plants also need water and sunlight to make their food. All living things need food to live and non-living things need no food. तमाम जानदारों को ज़िंदा रहने के लिए ग़िज़ा की ज़रूरत होती है और बेजान चीज़ों को ग़िज़ा की ज़रूरत नहीं होती। नंबर 4, सेंसेशन। You feel pain when a thorn or a sharp thing thorn in your foot. You pull your hand while touching the hot object. Most animals sense the world around them by using their eyes, nose, skin, ears, and tongue. These organs are called sense organs. Animals use their sense organs to search food and to sense danger. Most animals sense the world around them by using their eyes, nose, skin, ears, and tongues. These organs are called sense organs. Open your science copy. Your copy is interleaf. Your copy is interleaf. One page blank. Mention date. Chapter number 1. The Wonderful World. Question number 1. What are natural and man-made things? Give 2 examples of each with diagram or stickers. Answer. Plants and animals are natural, while some other things like books and houses are man-made things. So paste the stickers in blank page or draw a diagram. Plants, animals, book, houses. Dear students, this is the end of today's lecture. Please complete your homework before next lecture. Thank you.